me na once a victim, then if a guy me on person myself we don't fall. The government need for take drastic action because this way they go like in the turn on we.
They get a lot of complaints, particularly where they do the orange money, Afri money, and other money program. Particularly the orange money and the Afri money, people they come meet me. A lot of complaints they get on sometimes with the agents then now they talk to them.
So they're not gonna go send message to students like me where they try to manage me life and a close person. And any kind of way where close person message you get for going for. I tell them people they know say these people and these people they are close. So now that kind of people they send message so and before you they click, we now get sense it's okay, but some people they will not get sense. Before they marana all that thing do happen.
Government will strengthen the cyber security system and of course about at least for go up there and can find any people and find guilty, then deal with them appropriately.
The issue before us extends beyond technology. It concerns the protection of our citizens, the integrity of our financial system, and public confidence in the digital services that are becoming an increasingly important part of everyday life in Sierra Leone. As a government, under the leadership of His Excellency the President, Dr. Julius Maada Bio, we have made digital transformation as one of the big 5 game changers of our medium-term national development plan. For that reason, I am pleased to inform this Honorable House that the Ministry will convene a National Cyber Fraud Response Workshop next week. The workshop will bring together all key institutions involved in preventing, investigating, and responding to cyber-enabled financial fraud. Mr. Speaker, this workshop is not intended to be another discussion forum. It has a clear operational objective. The outcome will be the development of a national cyber fraud response framework that establishes a coordinated national approach of preventing, detecting, investigating, and responding to cyber-enabled financial fraud.